used to be able to pop with my eye. Can't do that anymore. I don't want to do that. It's painful. The good old
What about the knee fart?
knee farts. Oh jeez. Done that in years. I used to be able to get it pretty good. Shoot, I don't remember.
Where's your whistle?
Got that dog going. I don't know. That's all I got. Oh. I used to be able to do that.
What about the dove? Or the
I
owl?
can't do the dove like Grandma can.
You can't just walk out of the camera like that.